Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. So today topic is how to make the $1 million from the web hosting. So our topic is we talk about how to make money from web hosting. Web hosting is a fundamental and the element of the internet, allowing website to be accessible to the masses and the ever-growing number of the website and online business. There is a continuous demand for the web hosting services. Curious about how to profit from web hosting? You are in the right place. This blog post they will unveil some of the most straightforward and fastest strategy to earn from web hosting, even if you are beginner with limited time on your hand. Number one, reseller hosting. What is it? Reseller hosting involves purchasing server and spaces in bulk from a larger web hosting provider and then the reselling smaller portion of that space to individual client. And the venturing into the real of reseller hosting has become a tantalizing way to generate income. And within the web hosting world, with a reseller hosting plan, you don't only receive the essential akin to a share hosting package, but also a plethora of additional features. In essence, and the reseller hosting allows you to portion part of your hosting sales to other users, enabling them to host the same website more often than not. The primary account holder spaces specific cost of storage and the bandwidth for each sub-account, affording them as the personalized hosting experience. Beyond more allocation, resellers have the flexibility to the craft book space packages and the set pricing tier and even add extra features. Essentially operating a standalone hosting company. To visualize, consider reseller hosting as managing a block of flat and the property manager. You lease individual flat at the predetermined rate. The advantage: no need to lay the bricks or set up the utilize the foundation or the amenities are already established. Similarly, with reseller hosting, this serves as preset and the prime, offering you are ready to use the toolkit to the facilitate hosting. By capitalizing to a wrestling, not only can you recoup the cost of your own server space, but potentially they can the not worthy surplus. Men dive into acting in independent hosting provider to find remarkable success for those already and the certainly to the client in the sector like the web development or design. Bounding hosting can the blow earning, eliminating the need to the extensively out and for fresh customer. And number two, we talk about affiliate marketing. What is it? Many hosting company and they offer affiliate program where you get paid a commission for every customer you refer. Becoming a hosting affiliate is a straightforward route to the monetizing through web hosting, although immediate return might not always be visible, and the setup process is quick and demand far less upkeep as the reseller hosting count. Affiliate marketing revolves around dedicating a part of our website to promote another brand, and in return, you receive a commission when a specific action like a purchase result from the promotion. Affiliate often earn either a percentage based commission on a fixed amount per sale, contingent on the visitor proceeding to the advertiser site via the promotional content on the affiliate sale. To break it down, the affiliate and the advertiser agree on a commission structure and the type of promotion content. This promotional content is the showcase to the affiliate website. Visitor interaction with the advertised website through the affiliate platform are monitored. When this led to the purchase, the affiliate earn a commission that sale. And there's a lot of appreciate about affiliate marketing, and incorporating promotional sales into your website is often a swift and the hassle-free where common tool to this trade such as the banner or sidebar and don't demand extensive graphic design skill. Once these elements are the anchor in place, the bulk of the work is done. The next step simply ensure the adverts remain consistent and watch the revenue stream flowing. And number three, we talk about start your hosting company. What is it? If you have the technical expertise and capital, you can start your own hosting company from scratch. When it comes to the world of web hosting, investing in infrastructure is paramount. Infrastructure in this content refer to the foundation and operation component that ensure your hosting survive and they run smoothly, securely, and efficiently. Let's dive into the fact of the infrastructure. Investment for hosting. Number one, servers and hardware. High performance server. Investing in robust high performance server. Ensure your hosted website and they run smoothly and load quickly. Redundancy. Having backup server means you are prepared in case a primary server fails, and minimizing downtime. Scalability. As your client base grows, so will the find for resource. Ensure your services can be easily upgraded or that you can quickly deploy additional services. Number two, data center. Location. A data center geographic location can influence website speed for end user. Consider multiple locations for a global client base. cooling and power. Effective cooling system prevent hardware from the overheating. High redundant power sources ensure uptime and during outrage. And the security, physical security measure like CCTV, security personnel, and the biometrics has protected your services and from unauthorized ad. Number four, network infrastructure, high speed connection, fast and stable internet connection are critical. Consider multiple ISP for redundancy. DDoS protection, distribution denial of service attack can cripple your services and incorporate and the preventative and the measure and the mitigation strategy. Firewall protect your infrastructure from the malicious traffic and attack. Software and tool. Number four, control panel and the user-friendly interface like the cPanel or the Plexkilo client to manage their hosting easily and backup solution offer and the automated daily or weekly backup to ensure data integrity and the easy recovery. Security software implement malware scanning and the intrusion detection system and other security software to safeguard hosting website. Number five, support and monitoring. 24/7 monitoring, use monitoring tools to keep an eye on server health, optimize and potential issues, support staff, invest in an knowledgeable support line ready to assist client with technical issue and ensuring customer satisfaction. Training, regularly update and train your staff about the latest technology threat and the best practice. Infrastructure investment in the backbone of a reliable and efficient hosting service. High initial cost can be the return in terms of customer trust, service reliability, and the operational efficiency make it a worthy venture. As the digital world continues to evolve, staying ahead with solid infrastructure and ensure with your remain competitive and other top tier services. Number four, offer additional services. What is it? Beyond hosting, there are many associated services client may need. How to make money, sell domain name, offer domain registration alongside hosting, provide website design and development, and the bundle web hosting with website creation services, offer maintenance and support. Monthly maintenance package can provide steady income and launch your hosting business with ease. Starting your own business has never been simpler with the UK host for your reseller and the hosting package designed to provide exceptional value and powerful feature. Our packages are tailored to help you grow and expand your business flawlessly. Why choose and the UK hoster? And now we talk about and now the second, start making money online with free web hosting service. 2D is from internet and the rather a new term. A lot of people web hosting services are mostly available for servers used by large companies. However, when internet became common in the past 50 years, not only a large number of business websites were created, but also many individuals will start their personal website for both leisure and profit seeking purposes. A lot of personal websites were created for sharing the website owner expertise in different areas. For example, a lot of web bloggers share their bio or food, restaurant knowledge, and the shopping deals. Just to name a few, these blogs were a good channel for business to play related advertisement to attract the blog reader according to businessreminder.com. In 2019, there were over 20 million bloggers in USA with the 1.7 million making profit from their website. Blogger could earn the $75 to the $200 for a blog post about product and services. And to start a blog, you need to own a website. There are a lot of free web hosting providers offering free website name. In fact, these website names are only subdomain of the addresses of such hosting provider, e.g., and your member ID, and the free web hosting and the device provider. In general, such free web hosting services do not allow user to place advertisement banner on the website. In other cases, forced ads are put by your free web hosting services provider and the advertisement revenue will go to your free hosting services provider. And to cover your web hosting cost for new blog writer, and the best solution is to acquire free web hosting services with limited but sufficient web storage and the bandwidth traffic. For a startup blog, it is important to ensure that there is no forced ad the requirement in the free web hosting services. Also, a personalized domain name will definitely look more professional than a subdomain of a free web hosting service provider. You are now all set to go and start making money with free web hosting services. And what is the fastest way to make money online? I can definitely say that I found the best kind of side hustle. Nowhere is not even that it is a genuinely great way to spend your time and earn very good money, and you like that for sure. It's a free case, and yes, answering your question directly, this is the best site to do online work in my experience. So in the last 30 days, I earned the $2,350 boom. I couldn't believe it was liquid, but I literally starting this money on my PayPal balance right now. I'm the only one who did not know And you can definitely profit from web hosting because people need hosting and they are willing to pay for it. Free hosting never turn out to work for a company and they will move to a paid host. You have to find a way to stand out from the crowd and behold that the company works with it. And we talk about and the main thing, sell a digital product, build an email list. Add a subscriber button to your site to create an email list. Once you do, you can send out an email regarding your product or service you decide to provide later. Or even you did not have any intentionally exit Intel pop-ups and the membership number 9 and 10 provide coupon and how to create a money website strikingly. So we talk about in short part exit internet pop-ups. Exit intent pop-ups show up whenever someone tries to click over a website or web page. They make their viewer think twice about whether they should click over without making a purchase. If you add a cute message to the pop-up, then believe it or not, more than 50% of the people make a purchase instead of exiting the site. Just a little psychological method to create free website and the earn money that actually does work. And build an email list, add a subscriber button to your site and sell a digital product. If you're not that much into being a flown blonde business and have other intel like writing, you can totally create from website and earn money. Then also are you a writer but not into the whole publishing system, write ebook, provide a preview on your website, then people who are interested in reading the entire thing will pay a fee to sell further content, create and sell on space instead of and the seeking up for Google AdSense. You can also make your own end space if you want to create free website and earn money. However, to use this method, you have to make sure website is already doing well for traffic. Only then people will want to buy and space on your website and you will be able to make website and earn money for free. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.